Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to making chicken quesadilla. I will show you how to make chicken quesadilla. We have ingredients here. We have mozzarella cheese, shredded mozzarella cheese. We have tortilla bread here. Okay, we have pico de gallo. There have onion, tomato and fresh cilantro. Okay, and then we have grilled shredded chicken here. Okay, we make shredded and not any cube. We have shredded chicken. First we need to put mozzarella cheese little bit. Okay, okay, now again we need to put pico de gallo. Okay, this is our new recipe. Yani fresh. Okay, we are not make saute. Some people making saute also like. Then we put chicken, shredded, a grilled chicken. Okay, this one, grilled shredded chicken. Is enough chicken. Okay, now again we have to put cheese. Now guys, we need to close like that. Okay, Bismillah. Now guys, we wait until this will becoming cheese is melt. Okay, and then we flip it and another side. Okay, just we check after maybe 1 minute after they are done. Now guys, we are going to flip our quesadilla. Okay, oh, very nice. You see, it's proper brown. We just check. Okay, and then if downside also becoming brown, cheese melt, guys, our quesadilla is done. Okay, now you see, now we start just cutting. First of all, center cut. Okay, we need to cut 4 slices. Okay, and then like that. Okay, and then we have to cut from here. And then what we do, we need to put our plate. Now guys, our quesadilla is done. We are going to eating. Okay, first of all we add here our guacamole. Okay, and then we go to our table, we eat our quesadilla. Very easy, very nice recipe. Okay, you can make in your house for your guest, for your own self, whatever you want. It's nice. Now guys, we are ready for eating our food, our quesadilla. Okay, if someone join, please. Bismillah. See guys, Very nice. Thank you so much guys. Thank you watching for my video. Thank you so much. Please subscribe, share and like. Thank you. See you next video. I am very excited for the eating. That's why.